Is your dog making this noise when they breathe? If so, this could be a sign of a serious medical emergency. Keep watching to find out more. I'm a vet. I'm an emergency vet. And this is what you need to know about dogs who are making this noise when they breathe. If your dog is making this noise when they breathe, it's really important that you investigate further, because it could be a sign of something called a foreign body obstruction. So things like if a dog has eaten something that they shouldn't have and it's stuck in their throat or in their stomach, you may notice that they're making this noise when they try to breathe. It can also be a sign of something called acute respiratory distress. This means that they're struggling to breathe because their airway is blocked or partially blocked. It can be caused by things like a swollen or cancerous tumor in the throat area, or even collapsing trachea. If you notice that your dog is making this noise when they breathe, it's really important that you take them to the vet as soon as possible. This is because it could be a sign of something serious, like I said before, such as a foreign body obstruction or acute respiratory distress. When we see a dog like this at the vet, first thing we'll do is perform an examination. We'll look inside their mouth to see if we can see anything. Obviously, if there is something visible, like there's something stuck in their throat, then we will try to remove that. But in many cases, we won't be able to see anything during the examination. In those cases, we'll take some X-rays. This is so we can look inside their chest cavity to see if we can see anything that shouldn't be there. If we do see something on the X-ray, such as a foreign body, then it may be possible to treat this with surgery. But unfortunately, sometimes we can't retrieve the object. This is because either it's too big to retrieve, or it's too small and it's stuck somewhere in their digestive system. In these cases, the only option we have is to perform what's called an exploratory surgery. What this means is we open up their abdomen and we look inside to try to find the foreign body and remove it. Unfortunately, if we can't find the foreign body, then the prognosis for these dogs is quite poor and many of them will have to be put to sleep. It's really important for owners to be aware of the signs of a foreign body obstruction. This is because if you can catch it early, your dog will have a much better outcome. The sooner treatment can start, the better. Some other signs to watch out for include vomiting. So if your dog is eating and drinking less and they're vomiting more frequently, this could be a sign that something's not right. Also, if they have a decreased appetite, so they're eating less, or they're losing weight without you changing their diet, then this could also be another sign. The most common foreign bodies that we see are things like socks, underwear, pieces of string, rope, and also hard chewy toys. These are the most common things that dogs will eat and get stuck inside their digestive system. As I said earlier, if your dog is making this noise when they breathe, this could be a sign of something urgent, something serious, but it doesn't always mean that it is. There are other conditions that can cause this noise. If you're worried about your dog, then please take them to the vet and let the vet examine them. Don't delay getting treatment for your dog if they really need it. This could make their condition worse. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. This is so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.